Hi guys, Ninjan. Guys, bengithi ngizoya live on TikTok ne, but because of I'm not in a fight, angeke ngikwenze lokho. Maybe I can do that after this video, and then nakhona it depends. It's gonna depend because of ngizolandela ngizobona ngama-comment wenu actually ukuthi kumele ngiye live or kanjani. Guys, I have a couple of years ngisebenza neMojalaf. I signed a contract each and every season I do now. I receive all my money that they're giving me on contract every season. I signed a contract now. Guys, I don't know this season kube ibhadi lami or ibhadi lethu. This thing sonke sayibona, but I didn't know ukuthi personally izoyenzeka kimi. Angikhulumi ngabanye and futhi angifuni ufaka umuntu. So khuluma straight ngami. Guys, during the season it happens ukuthi umama agule. It happens ukuthi usisi wami agule. So ngacabanga ngathi okay, sicedile ukushootha. They paying us and they paying us kahle imali yethu. So I realized with everything singaphezu kwamandla ami. How about ngifonele abaphathi bami ba release imali yami yonke so that ngikhona ukuhandle isituation esisekhaya. Okay, fine. It happens ukuthi ngibafonele. Okokuqala kwaqale kwagula umntwana kamalumama. Umntwana kamalumama makagula, I had to ukuthi like because of I was around them and bangicela ukuthi yazi mntakama because when uyasebenza umntwana uyambona ukuthi unjani cela ungisize. It happened ukuthi ngibasendele ama picture vele ngile eclinic ngiyobona umntwana bhalela ukuphefumula because ekhaya kithi sonke sisafara because of asthma, everyone ifamily. So umntwana bekaphefumula ngemobilize. I had to ukuthi ngitshele my PM ukuthi yazi nginenkinga esonde. So I even send them ama pictures. Ngithi how come? How about imali yami kuyakhonakala ukuthi njengoba sicedile ukushootha ni release because already maseyidlala surely ama episode wonke approviwe. Seniyazi ukuthi how much mele sithole nathi we know how much mele sithole. So how about maybe ngiphi half, maybe a half futhi, then ngikhona ukusettle izinto zami ekhaya because imali yakancane yenzisana ikoloto. And especially manigulelwa, you have to pay transport, you have to go to keep a logo, you have to go to thenga izinto kancane izinto ezikanjani. They said to me akukhonakali. That's okay, fine. So kuzoyenzakalani ke? Athi no, angeke kukhonakala. That was uThulu khuluma naye. Okay, sharp. Sidlula isikhathi leso umntwana be right, ngisafara khona ngivale ngale imali engivala ngayo. And imagine into engizonitshela yona ningayazi mina ekhaya kithi I'm a breadwinner. Ekhaya kithi everyone ubheke mina. And I was enjoying that because of ngiyathi angifuni ukubona abantu basekhaya mina bahlupheka. So it happened ke ukuthi umama wami nosisi wami naye bagule at the same month, at the same week, and like ugula serious. After that I had ukuthi abona manje ngichange umuntu omunye angisafoneli lo, ngifonela right straight umuntu omele ngimfonele. I call uLive One because of I text uJulia my producer and mangimtexta like he was blue ticking me. Into yangizwisa ubuhlungu after ngiblue ticka, there is a time azofuna i-episode yami akhohlwe i-date. I was like, lo muntu lo ungifonela kanjani angibuza umsebenzi wakhe, but mina if ngimtexta ngifuna usizo uyangiblue tick. Mina ngiyababhora musilabantu laba, and then if ngichashiwe ecompanyini yabo nginenkinga mele ngiyiraise kubani because bayangiblue tick. Okay, fine. It happens with babona ukuthi manje say serious because each and everything engikhulumayo kuze bayibelieve I have to ukuthi ngisende i-proof. And mina manga ngiwakhuluma, that's the thing eyangizwisa ubuhlungu ke, nokuthi nakusasa if they decide ukuthi bangi-stretch out bangasangifake emashowini abo angeke ngizwe ubuhlungu because vele abangi-appreciate. There is a lot of sin ebangishuta zona mina ezihambelana ngqo nempilo yami ezingasi amanga. Ayikho into ebathi ngiyenze ngingayenzi noma into ebayidinga kimi ngingabaphi yona. Fine. After ngibaprovelile ukuthi mama mina nosisi wami abekho right, I asked them ukuthi ngicela ukuthi no matter imali le enizonginika yona nikhipheni emalini yami my outstanding balance esele. Okay, they agree with that. Bangisendele 40,000. The 40,000 ngibafonele ngibonge, mangiceda ngibasendele nama message ukuthi ngiyabonga, and then sengisharp manje. But imali engiyitholile 40,000. They said to me, yeah, imali yakho iphelele. I was like, no, ayiphelelanga. Imali yami ayiphelelanga. Imali le mina engiyisebenzele, le mina nani sisene ngayo, ayiphelelanga. They sent me a paper. Iphepha lakhona libhaliwe episode banibani, episode banibani. Angil understand because of angilazi ngiqala ukulibona. And if bangisendela lona ekuqaleni, I don't think bengizovuma mina ukubuyela eTV. Not after izinto engizenzile ezinye engazifuni ngempilo yami. But because of umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda and ngiba appreciate nawo ngiu-appreciate ngingenendaba because of bengisebenza and bengiyithola imali. But manje if kuzoba so, no, angifuni ngami mina. Into engiyifuna kibo imali yami because I don't want to go deep. Yes, good. They have threats always against us. Mangabe kunento singayithandi ukuthi yana bayi company enkulu bona, they will do what and what. Ndalo wait. Shh. I know ukuthi like kunento eziningi. Yeah, bazonixosha. Niyamazi Aubrey yaxoshana in umuntu ngixosha kanjani ngixoshela into obona nawe ukuthi le into ngabe siyayilungisa and then icompany ikhule siqhubeke ngempilo. Guys, I remember ngihamba nomntwana ngiyoshuta i-DNA scene mina. Umntwana wami angakawisi inongwane asesemncane. You can go back to that scene. That time kwaqala ama-drama ukuthi akusana ama-SNT, we have to ukuthi sithenge ukudla where wara. I stay for a long time. Ngiphume endlini nge-content yaka 10 but ngiphume endlini ngo-8 o'clock ekuseni. Ngihamba nabantwana bami ngiyoshuta ama-DNA. That time I didn't eat. Cabangani ngadla ebusuku ngesini yokugcina yaka Kim no Dabula no Maseko. They went to a tavern or a pub, I don't remember, but you can go to that scene. Angizange ngabalabala ngathi bengilambile in bengisebenza because of we've got that thing ukuthi emsebenzini sisebenza kanzima. But after lento bangenza yona manje, le bangenza yona or bazitshela ukuthi sebangiyenzile, angifuni ngami. And it's not only me okhala so. It's just that some of them they are afraid to talk. basaba ukuzimela, basaba ukuzikhulumela. They forgot ukuthi banama right. So I still demand that my outstanding balance. Nothing much I want. And for a sake yokuthi mina ngihambe manje ngiye ku social media, it's because of I talk to them. Bayang blue tick. Guess what now? Ulifung blockile. It seems like yena is in a fight. Le mina engayazi. I even moved la ekhaya ngiyohlala kibo mngani wami eMamelodi because of bebase basidemanda nemali transport, but i-contract ibhaliwe ukuthi i-transport kumele iphume inland inise la nishuthela khona. Angifuni nokungasho ukuthi they know ukuthi what's happening between Maseko's family. I don't want to talk that things guys la. Angifuni ukumoshela abantu or ngimoshela company or in, because angilwi. But I don't want to go deep. Ukuthi kuloku naloku benisicabangela na. If usazile ukuthi sisebenzela isent leli esilitholile manje. No, it's painful guys. And yes, there is something engifuna ukuyazi, maybe angi understand or njani. I believe ukuthi i-contract mabaloko bayi-renewer the company, meaning you are doing better. I believe ukuthi i-contract the mall i-renewer nenza izinto ezi-right, imali must increase. So guys, ngizwa ubuhlungu guys. Please share this video. Maybe abanye benu angeke sibone ngilihleli one. Yabona yokuthi ngibhale email ngikhuluma istory sami officeini or ngicontactane ne-HR yami or boss yami, akungisebenzeli. As soon as bangiblocker, it's clearly ukuthi bona yini ebaphezukwayo or bona abanasesikhathi. Yabona abanye ngeke ngibakhulumele ngoba mangingabakhulumela maybe abanye basawudinga lo msebenzi. Mina I don't think ngiyawudinga because I don't think ngibalulekile kibo. If bengibalulekile bebangeke bangenze lento abangenza yona. And nalaba bengisebenza nabo this season, if they gonna calculate imali yabo babatshele ukuthi imali iphelele, no one is gonna react because of ama threats esiwatholayo inside. Akusafuna ukukhuluma ngomntwana abantu udabula ke yena. He feels like he desperate too much because of uzoyapi angana ID.
Talk into ntshela ngenzaba yami neMoja Love. Ngendlela basenda ngayo iMoja Love idlalele kakhulu ngathi guys, uma hlala entabeni into la ikhuluma ke maciniso yonke. Ayikho into lengaseliciniso, so ningathi hayi amanga iciniso into la ikhulumako. Last year because bengisolo ngekho kulena kuMoja Love bangibizile futhi bathi bangidinga, and then ma-talent amangidinga nemali kamaningi, so bangidinga Moja Love bangiclop ngikuphi ngempilo, and then ngabachazela ukuthi mina ngimove on ngempilo. So ngimove on ngempilo, impilo yami ichubekile, nginemuntu ngihlala emzini wami like ngiright la ngikhona nemuntu wami. So bathi fune kushutha nami. Okay, ngavuma nami because songini guys niyazini sifuna imali. Umsebenzi wami since ngicala kushutha nawe ishutha kahle. So sashuta ubeza basayinisa ama-contract kwaba right, savumelana ngendlela sivumelene ngayo solo look. Okay, sashuta saqedza last season nami ngileya ye-engagement nale abantwana, and then ne-miscarriage, ukuthi ngithole miscarriage. So saqeda ukushuta lapho ke last year ngithi say this year ngaboma April basibiza futhi, and then saya ku-boardroom bathi fune sibuyele ku-show, bazosendela ama-contract bathi thina siyenza ngomnyaka vele yazini siyenza, uyakubona, soshutha basidinga. Okay, savumelana vele ibani lesamunye i-boardroom bathi ngize nomuntu wami, vele ngeza naye uma ngekuthiwa uyambiza ngeza naye, and then kwaba right, savumelana ngayo yonke into. And then after basenda ama-contract, nabasenda ama-contract nabayisenda i-contract akusasi main cast, it's a supporting cast guys, main cast to supporting cast kuye kwenteka kuphi lokho-ke. And thina sititering from ukudala sine-content, ngiyazi ukuthi siya like sine-content ukuthi sijabulise abantu. So imali khona seyihlile, ayisafani naye last year, cabanga. And then mina ngimthetho ngazi ukuthi nawusayina i-contract ngeminyaka yakhuphuka imali, uthi nakhuphula ngini nabo bathola imali ngathi badla ngathi yonke indzawo. So okay, sayisayina ngavuma for ukuthi ngidawo thini imali angithi vele ifune ngisebenze umsebenzi wami, and umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda, benganamahloni ngawo, whatever le bengiyenda bengijabulela. Okay, wahamba iloyana inyanga sishuthile, bona sashutha, ngashutha nogobela wami, shutha nabantu abami, umntwana wami nishutha bamvusela amanceba, izinto lezi zenzeke because u-abusekile le bekakhona. And then ngashutha nemuntu wami, abomamezala nogogo, and bonke labantu engishutha nabo bathembisa ukuthi bazobapha something, bazohola nabo. Banigobela bamtshela ukuthi hayi nakuphela iloya kuzocala kuhole bonkanyisi, and then inyanga yesi-2 kuyohola wena. Cabanga ngisuse umuntu omdala sihambe soshutha sikuphi sikumisele nale omdala inyanga honest. Okay, hayi khambe imalanga-ke maybe sengishuthe maybe ngathi 10 episode. Sibizwe ofisini, asibizwe ofisini bathi kunale senze khona wrong. Okay, sabuke lo-ke maseko athena yena amadoda, thina sida namadoda eshowini ethu, ishow le yahle simehlisa sithuni ngemadoda ethu, so amadoda ethu akafunakali. Sothi maseko bani ukuhamba emuva kwethu ekhuluma izinto emoja love, shothi bangafuni umuntu wami. And ngiyibona ukuthi hayi uyambona ukuthi uhlakaniphe, umuntu wamhlakaniphile, and then ayihlakaniphe, so une-content eningi, sine-content eningi, and as-fake guys, sishutha i-reality, asifani nabanye ukuthi bayafake ezinye izinto, thina sishutha i-reality show. So hayi kwakhulunywa laphana bathi yana bazosifonela, nasiceda khuluma bathi sizonifonela izolungiseka. Hayi sibuye ekhaya kuhamba emalanga mani, kashuthiwe bashutha abantu. So la ngibuye, and umuntu ebakhuluma i-producer yethu Jules athi ngizonifonela, angafoni. Ngithi ngimsendela ama-message angibluthike, ngisendela le message angibluthike, abanginaki. Uthi ngalenye ilanga bathi hayi uyoshuta umlodo, hayi ngihambe guys, uyoshuta umlodo. Okay, kibe right, ngibuye. And then sukusela lapho-ke angasashuthi, bangasangibida, and bese kusena episode lamancane ukuthi ngicede. Okay, ngibone i-video shows abayi-advertiser, and then yena angiveli ngishuthe kangaka, ngihluphe abantu bangaka ukuthi hayi zini siyashutha, ngicela ukuthi sishutheni abantu abadala. Hayi ngibone show seyadlala nakukhola, and then ngathoma sahola, and then banginika 8,000 yokucala. and then kwagcineka lapho ngathola imali. Ngathi sengiyabuta ngibethe ngifonela lo akabasaphenduli mafoni afonela bendani ngagcina ngasend email lalaba call from Moja Love yahlala maybe email akona bo 5 days solo bangangiphenduli abuya bathi bona ya si lo yana i-contract akhe iphelile. Hawu iphela kanjani? Ngishuthile up my episode engashuthile why angadlali kanjani guys? Bathi ayikho into le ngizoyithola ngamane ngiphambili because of ngisayine contract ngivume i-contract kambe iphela ngoJuly njani yo. Sidlaliwe Moja Love guys, sidlalile. So ngizinto la angazi asazi ukuthi senze njani, so sifuna usizo ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sende njani. Ibani kuningi because of iMoja Love idlala ngabantu baningi, abantu abakhalayo, abanye bilani basho nabantwana basho nalomunye nje bakusasa bamngcwaba. ngeMoja Love iropa abantu yasiropa bombe bathatha an-advantage because of thina sibofamjule, especially ngisho ukuthi maybe ngifamjule atshathi hayi alona ngikayenzayo lo kodwa hlala nje so sikhathele guys, sikhathele kakhulu, isiropi kakhulu iMoja Love. And labanye basaba kuvela because of basaba ukuthi maybe ba-threatenisha cause ungathi uyakhuluma batshela ukuthi hayi bazokubonisa bazobona ukuthi benza njani cause bakujwayele lokho. Ayikho umuntu esizokhuluma naye njengoba bachaza amahla interview nazokhuluma naye bamblock nokumblock. So guys into le like sesikhathele, yes siyawufuna umsebenzi, so no lokwendeka akwendeki because of badlalile ngathi kakhulu guys. Yiko lesifuna ukuthi ngisharele kona sibonisane ukuthi singenda njani, mara asihlala ngicethanga la sibhizi nge-life life ngiyangena bese.
You know, Bazalwa Mzito, a lot of people, they have been saying ukuthi ama-reality show, they are not really reality, especially izinto ezidlala kuMoja Love guys. I'm starting to believe ukuthi izinto, even izinto kokumawena azenzayo on the show akusiyo izinto azenzayo on like reality. It's not reality, it's just the content guys. There's uMahlala Mtabeni from uMfangosikazi kaMaseko and uNkanyezi guys. uMahlala Mtabeni noNkanyezi, you can see even what or here izinto uNkanyezi ashoyo ukuthi they are producing content. I do not feel as if ungathi impilo yakho yi-content. If it's a reality, why uthi u-edit into eningi ezi-content? So they are saying Moja Love didn't pay them. And a lot of people I've seen abantu abaku-podcast owami bathi uMoja Love usichashile ukuthi sibo-single and mingle, we didn't write for a show but someone asked us to be part of the show but we didn't get paid at this time guys. Is uMahlala Ntabeni and uNkanyezi, and we know them with this. I think this is season 5 if not season 6 of ishow yabo, which is Umndeni, them being married to this guy unabafazi abaningi and ethembini sakhe they are gays and also umama right. I think the guy is bisexual because uzishaya ngapha nangapha. So they are complaining that Moja Love didn't pay them for ishow yabo, and Moja Love change my contract. So you are signing this contract when they are not giving you the money that you signed at the contract, they are giving you another contract. Hence, people, they are always saying, if you sign a contract, learn to take a picture of that contract or ask a copy of that contract. If they do not want to give you the copy before you sign, you must take a picture so that makuba nezimezi nje uzokwazi ukuzikhulumela guys. I'm so disappointed in Moja Love because they've seen ukuthi musi bayatrenda for this wrong reasons. I don't know why basachubeka. I'm starting to believe ukuthi even the show yachuchupa akusiqiniso, and even abomama zala akusiqiniso. It's giving content, it's giving hits esifuna abantu akusabantu ababhalela thina. And the sad part about this whole thing, bakhona Moja Love inamashow amaningi abasiza abantu, so abantu abafuna usizo ngempela bazobhala kanjani if bacabanga ukuthi show it's content? Yabo, it's so sad. So Bazalwa Mzito, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.